Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to release a tool, an AI tool, which everyone's going to need at some point in time. You might need it right now, but what it is, it's an AI Google Calendar link generator that's powered by natural speech. Means you just have to tell it a few bits of information just by chatting away, and it will create an event link for you, which you can then share with everyone that's coming to your event for them to add to their calendar. This is unbelievable for anyone who basically has any event, and we all have events sometimes. Sometimes we have weddings, we have webinars, everyone has events, and to create those links isn't always so simple. So let's jump into my other screen so you can now see what I can see on my screen. And this is the business AI tools for business, which you can find on our homepage. And then you click on this one here, which is the AI Google Calendar link generator. Now, this is an unbelievable tool. You speak naturally and automatically get a Google Calendar URL. So to get started, as always, you click the red button, just like with every one of our other apps. It's the same thing. And you'll find yourself on this page. Let me zoom in here. So here we are zoomed in to this brand new tool. So what I'm going to do in here is just type a bit of information about my event. I'm just going to paste it in because I've already saved it from earlier. Okay, that was the result. But let me paste in the actual information about my event, which is a wedding. So it's me and my wife, Daniel and Florence's wedding, which is on the 14th of May. That's it. This is basically all the information I'm giving the app. And I'm going to click on create your Google Calendar link and just watch this absolute magic happen. This is your link. So right here is the link, and the raw link is right down here. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Okay, so this is the raw link. And this is the actual link. And over here, if you click this button down at the bottom, you can copy the raw link. And then you can just send that to all your friends. So to start off, let's click on this and see what happens. So I just clicked on it now. And here I am in Google Calendar. And let me just move my face out of the way. Guess what? Google's made it easier. And here you can see May 14th, 2025 from 5 to 9. Let's see if that's correct. Let's go back to the other page, which created this. Discard that. Oh, how can I get out of this now? Here we are. And then we'll full screen this one. Okay, so that's exactly what I wrote, from 5 till 9 p.m. Perfect. And everything worked, including the details of the location and everything. If you want to see and or edit some of the information in this, you can either change it up here, like make it till 8 p.m. and then click on create again, and then it will recreate the link, this time with the ending time 8 p.m. You can change the details here, or you can just click on this eyeball over here. This will show you all the details which were kind of created using this information, and you can edit them in here. That's all. Once you're ready to send this to all your people, your friends, you just click this button here, and then it will copy it to clipboard. And thank you for using Generate. So this tool is free to use. You get 10 free uses of it. I don't think you'll need more than one use because it's just a perfect tool which always works. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to never miss our new tools. As you can see, this is a very unique tool. This is something you might need once in a while, but just knowing that we have this kind of functionality is important for you, so that you can always just never miss out on functionality that can help you in your business in the future. So I was Daniel, your host, and bye for now.